Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a morning routine, and right now it is the day before the next morning. So I'm actually going to sleep right now, but I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. I am so tired. I could not sleep last night. I don't know why. And I've been having trouble sleeping. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm not even on my phone. But like, I try sleeping and I feel like I'm not tired. And then like, sometimes I feel like I am tired, but I can't sleep. Like, my eye bags are getting worse and worse. It is currently 10:54. I wanted to wake up earlier, but I definitely just couldn't because I was so tired. I want to say not every morning looks like this, but it is kind of a little bit similar to all my mornings, because I do have like my morning routine obviously. Right now I'm gonna watch some TV and eat my cereal. Now I am going to start cleaning because that is something I do like every time in the morning. Okay guys, so I finished cleaning the living room. Also, don't mind all the boxes and stuff. We are already packing to move. I'm gonna clean my closet now. Hey guys, so I am done cleaning my closet. It is now 31, sorry, I read it backwards. Now I think I'm gonna clean the kitchen. So I have to wash the dishes, put away the dishes, clean the table and the counters, and I also got a broom and mop, but I don't know if I'll film that. So my camera is gonna die, so I already finished cleaning the dishes up. Now I need to broom, and then I'm gonna mop, and my morning is like gonna be over already because the morning ends at 12 I think, and it is currently 11:42. Honestly, this whole video was kind of me cleaning, but that's kind of like what I do in the morning. Okay guys, so I finished brooming. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see my summer night routine, make sure to comment down below if you guys would want to see that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.